Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring your video file is uploaded and ready in YouTube Studio. Make sure visibility is private or unlisted if you don't want it public yet. Next, open the video and click Subtitles on the left. That's where Captions live. Choose the language you want to add. YouTube may offer automatic captions, but for accuracy you'll add or edit them manually. Once done, click Add under Subtitles to begin creating a precise caption track you control. Now decide your method. Upload a timed file, paste a complete transcript, and use autosync or type captions manually. If you paste a full transcript, YouTube will align text to audio. Review timing afterward because alignment can shift slightly. If you type manually, play and pause, then enter short caption lines and set start/stop times precisely for readability. Make sure sentences break naturally and keep lines under 2 per caption so viewers can read comfortably. Finish by thoroughly previewing captions while playing the video to catch misheard words and timing problems. Adjust timestamps and line breaks until smooth. When satisfied, click Publish to make captions live or save as draft if you're not ready. If timing is off, export or create an SRT file with correct timestamps and upload it instead. This often fixes stubborn sync errors. Finally, make sure language settings match viewer expectations so captions display properly across devices.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.